Good morning everybody. Today is, I want to say the 23rd of January. What's the date today?
23rd, mate.
Thanks. We have a day off. It's actually been, again, really bad weather. We've been quite unlucky with the weather at the moment. It rained all last night, so we've got another day off. So we are going to go, we're trying to figure out what we wanted to do today. We did think we could go to Hammer Springs, but we're going to go to Willowbank Reserve. It's like a wildlife park. There's like actual kiwis there, like capybaras, things that probably are very different to the Orana Wildlife Park. So it should be really nice. I'm actually quite excited to go. It should be just a good afternoon out, and then we might go to Westfield afterwards. I've got a Lorna Jane voucher and Finn needs to get some new jeans, so we might just have a little trip over there. I think that is the plan for today. I thought I'd vlog, show you guys another thing to do in Christchurch. So that is the plan for today. So let's go. We have made it. So we've just got entry. It's like $35 per person for an adult, and we managed to get some. It's in there. Some feed for animals, so you can feed the animals and stuff. So it's quite interactive. Why are you laughing? Got a map. People are staring at me.
Yeah, no, it's laughing.
Let's go. Got some black swans. Probably shouldn't get too close. Go away. Don't like it. Hi! He ran straight over to us. There's the other one. Hi! Hi mate! You're making a lot of noise. Camera shy now, eh? Oh my god! Oh, that's when they're cute.
Or nibbling their tail.
Hi mate, this one's friendly. Hey! Hi!
He's well ugly.
Oh, don't be so mean to the sheepy goat things. Hey mate! It's not a goat, is it? These are sheep. They're just very, very well sheared. Where's this one here? Hey mate! What are you up to? Oh, hi there!
You get stuck.
You're a bit stuck. Do you want some food? Oh yeah, you want some food, alright. Okay, he's like, oh come on, give it to me.
You.
Oh, I'm scared to.
Just put your hand up flat.
I'm scared to do it. I used to be like this at...
You'll be fine. Put your hand up flat.
You want to do it? Look at that one. Look at that guy poking his head round.
Good.
Look at this guy, look at this geezer.
Hello mate.
Oh, we missed it, mate.
Piglet. Yeah, so there's Cooney piglets. So see how they're different? Yeah.
He's cute. Hello.
Goat as well.
Look at your little goatee, mate. Hey. I'll go and give that one a little bit. Oh, I won't miss you out. Here you go. I'm scared about the tongue.
It's not gonna hurt you.
Yeah, but it might lick me.
No, it won't.
Hello. Oh, look at the calf. You have a very sweet calf. It's the tongue. Look at the little calf. Look at his teeth.
Oh, that's a goldfish. That's metal.
You're a very cool bird. Whatever you are. What is it? Oh, capybaras. Oh my god. That scared me.
My koala
You're growling.
would be best to climb on.
Right here. Right now.
Showing off now. Pretty.
You're a bit like a macaw.
Why?
Just don't shut up. They just go on and on and on.
Cheeky bugger.
And they've got a massive nose.
My dad always told me I had a cute button nose. There's loads of them.
Oh, it's this, look.
Oh yeah. Look at there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 or 8. Look at mate. He's like, I want to come say hello to you.
Oh my god, look at the one on the plate. Look at the monkey posy. Wow, posy.
Yeah, go on mate. Look at you up there, king of the world. Looks like he's want to jump off. There's a baby one. Put it on the side, like put your hand to the side. There you go. And it will lick it out.
We're struggling here, aren't you, mate? There you go.
Hey, got it. We got a wallaby. Mr. Wallaby. Look at him brushing his hands off. Look at it hop along.
Hello.
Look how it uses its beak to just climb.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name then?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
No way.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh.
Not pterodactyl.
Ah.
Hello.
Oh no. I don't think I can go in there. Let me out. No, let me out. Not by myself. Not by myself.
Yeah, when we go and see him, isn't it?
Oh, look at this handsome one.
I'm handsome.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi.
Hey, mate.
You want some? Oh, hi. Oh, look
You're
at the little
greedy.
baby.
Whoa.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Oh, look at it. We stopped at the cafe for lunch and the hot chocolate's really good. We got like ham and cheese toasty and some loaded fries.
They're actually wedges.
Sorry, wedges. They're really nice actually. It's good toasty. Do you want to be on camera, mate, though? Okay, bye-bye. So we've been to Willowbank. We did manage to see some kiwis. Because they're nocturnal, they're in like a little house, like a nocturnal house, but we did manage to see one, although it was quite dark. Managed to kind of see its shape and the beak and everything, so I'm kind of glad we managed to see it. It was actually, I'd say Willowbank was really good. Do you?
Yeah, it was alright.
Finn's tired, he's not going to say much. I would say it is good. We were there for about 2.5 hours, and it's a bit more interactive. You can see a lot of more, I guess it's more like New Zealand animals that are more from here. I don't know how to word that. So yeah, I would say I'm glad we went. Good 2 and a bit hours walking around, seeing lots of birds. Like we saw the parrot, some of them spoke to us.
It spoke to me.
So, yeah. So I'm glad we went. I thought it was worth the trip. It's definitely, I guess if you've got kids and stuff, it's definitely worth going. For us, even, it was good just walking around seeing the animals. But it is now 2:30. We're gonna go to Westfield in Christchurch and just have Finn needs some new jeans, and I'm gonna have a little look at a place where Finn got me a gift card for Christmas. So that is what our plan is now. Finn's very tired. I'm starting to feel a bit tired as well, to be honest. I need a chill evening. And that's the end of this video. I need to make sure I start remembering to end these videos, but I hope you enjoyed today. I hope you enjoyed coming with us to Willowbank Wildlife Reserve. We really had a good time and just honestly just had a bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe down below so you don't miss the next one, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.